Next, we're going to mix our sugar and spices together. Take half a cup of sugar, and you're going to be using a dry measuring cup. You want it level with the top. We're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Again, you want this level with the top as well as you can. There's no need to take a knife and measure it off. We need 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Most people don't have ginger in their pumpkin bread, but I find it's a nice addition. We need 3/4 tablespoon of salt, and you don't want a full tablespoon, you want 3/4, so we're just gonna measure it like that. You need 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Try and get it so there's no lumps in that nutmeg. Those lumps are really hard to get out. And 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Again, not quite a teaspoon. I'm putting a little more than 3/4 teaspoon. There you go.